I'm gonna show y'all what I mixed the Diamond Pro 89 with. As you can kind of see down here, it's a quick glimpse of what we're gonna be fixing with the Diamond Pro 89. So y'all just stay tuned to see.
Yeah, so let's get ready to wash this chicken. And this is how I wash the chicken, me personally. Half water, half episode of vinegar. Not even half, but enough. Alright, y'all, that chicken been sitting long enough. Let's pour this water out. Let's take some more water and pour it all the way over the chicken. We'll be back in a good 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken's done. As y'all can see, it smells good. Rice, just gonna fill that in. Alright, y'all, rice is done. Chicken done. What I do, you want to get you a clear bowl and you want to put all the chicken in the bowl. And I just use gloves because I feel like it's faster. But I don't leave a bone, and I leave them in there because I don't want my dogs to choke on them or get poked in the throat. Chicken bone right there. Let's mix this up, make it more shredded. Okay, y'all, so now what you want to do is you want to take your rice and put it in your pot. Y'all can do this all together if y'all choose to, but I'm just trying to show y'all. Carrots, I'll just put them in there. Yeah, don't do that. You want to take your chicken, and I'll just get like 2 handfuls. Pure pumpkin, half the can. Alright, y'all, let's fill these dog bowls up. Completed, it should look like that.
First up, we got Mamacita.